Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Thursday, January 12th, and we're in the middle of the U.S. session. After making a low on the year at 130.13, the Euro-Yen has been drifting higher, but the structure of this rally looks vulnerable. Let's take a look at these charts. The Euro-Yen now was approaching 137. Just above that, there is the 200 period simple moving average and a previous resistance, support resistance area. Now, if 134 comes into play as support, reinforced by these 150 period simple moving average and this sort of pennant or flag pattern support, if 134 stays as support, then there's still further upside in the very short term. But we should probably limit this bullish outlook to the 137 to 137.50 area, which includes those resistance factors I mentioned before. We say that again because this rally does look vulnerable. It looks like a consolidation rally. So look for resistance there. Maybe even look for a possible shorting opportunity there. But we would want to see some kind of resistance first. Now to the downside, if 134 doesn't hold and price breaks down, then let's start monitoring the 135 level. You see the support resistance area as resistance. Okay, so if it breaks below 134 and 135 holds as resistance for the most part, give it some elbow space, it could maybe break above 135 briefly, and then if it comes back down, the pressure will remain back towards these lows on the year. Okay, now going to the daily chart, we can see that indeed the 137.50 area should provide resistance. However, if price holds above 135, let's say the price finds resistance around 137.50, comes back, but it finds support around 135, again given some elbow space. If it can find support there could be further upside. Then the 137.50 area becomes more vulnerable, because then the market looks like it would continue this bullish correction, and in this bullish correction scenario, the next resistance will be in this 141 area, which should be in the middle of this cluster of 200, 150 period simple moving averages in the daily chart, and it would also be reinforced by this falling resistance here, falling trend line coming down from the 149.55 2014 high. Okay, so there's some near-term bullish outlook, but we should look for resistance at 137. But if it holds above 135, maybe it could continue, but not. But we shouldn't expect this to be. We shouldn't expect the bullish outlook for any further than 140, 141. In the short term, if there is a break below 134, then we should switch to the bearish outlook and look for 135 as resistance. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade well.